Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Did you know that you can also create forms with Depicter? Sounds great, right? Let's dive right in. I have this diet website and I'd like to have a pop-up form like this one in it so that people can get a free diet plan. First, you need to install Depicter. So head to plugins, add new plugin and search Popup Builder in the search bar. Here's Depicter. Install and activate it. Head to Depicter and in the dashboard, navigate, create a blank and choose Popup. Name the Popup. Set the dimensions. Once done, click on Create Popup. Let's set the background color to match your website's theme. Go to Elements and drag and drop the form elements. You can see that the form option is added here. Start by adding the fields that you want one by one. Name, email, phone number, a couple of custom inputs for the weight and height, a checkbox, a submit button, and a form message to display after submission. Now, these are the fields that I want. Let's start customizing everything. First, let's narrow down the form a little bit. Click on the form to adjust its layout. By default, it uses Flexbox, but you can switch it to Grid if you prefer. I'm keeping it Flex for simplicity. The direction is vertical. Again, you can change it to horizontal. I'm gonna reduce the gap a bit. 12 will do. You can change the label placement if you like. The top is fine for me. In the input styles, start with customizing the typography settings to your liking. Give the fields a corner radius. I'm increasing the left side padding a little bit. Head to background color. I'm making it transparent. What I'm doing now is I click on each one of these fields and input a placeholder description in them, as you can see here. As for the custom inputs, by double-clicking on them, I change their name to age, weight, and height. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. For the checkbox, I'm going to change it into I'm a vegetarian. Enable the Show Description option on the right to provide additional context. Customize the Submit button, and finally, I input the success message here and customize its appearance. With the form ready, let's enhance the pop-up by adding a title, a brief description below it, and an eye-catching image that aligns with your diet theme. Only one thing is left, the close button. I'll add one and change its color. And there's the 100% coupon. Claim it before someone else does, and don't forget to leave a comment to let everyone know, otherwise it will be removed from your account. Make the final customization. I'll just add a hover with an increased scale to each field. By selecting the field, go to the hover section on the top right. Do the same for the Submit button and add a hover color to make it more engaging. We're almost done. Head to Publish and click on Open Display Rules to manage when the pop-up is going to appear. I want the pop-up to appear right when the visitor has scrolled about half the page, so I enable the scroll percentage and set it to 50%. Now we can publish. Let's view the result. And there you have it, the pop-up appeared right when I reached about half a page. Let's test it. I'll go ahead and input the information that's required. I'm skipping the phone number because it's optional. Check the I am a vegetarian box and hit submit. Let's head back to Depicter dashboard. Click on leads on the left. You can see that the information from the form is stored here. Notice here you can download the information. It's great, right? There you have it, a fully functional pop-up form on your website using Depicter. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.